Alright guys, before I actually start welding in these Scott Rod panels, I went ahead and pour 15'd. This is a rust preventive paint, and I'll put the link in the description. So I went ahead and pour 15'd all the spots that are going to be covered by the panels, because that way, you know, when they're covered it can't get painted. So I left the edges to weld to not painted. So I just did that. I want to show you guys right now real quick, because once I put the panels on you can't ever see that again. So I just wanted to give note that I did go ahead and do that, so it won't rust anymore.
It brings a tear to my eyes.
Okay, just real quick, before we actually start mudding, I still have some metal work to do, I forgot. This is the front of the core support. This is where the 9495, I think V6 and 5.0 liters, this is where the overhang is for the radiator. So it cups right here, and then this side actually bolts underneath. So I think I'm just going to delete this, and I'll make a bracket for it like the other side, so you can't see it on top. This is for the bracket that actually goes and holds the one of the ECUs or whatever, control bearing, and I don't even remember what it's called. I'm sure some of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But and it holds your overflow reservoir. So I'm deleting that. We're not going to do that. Then this is really the only hole I'm keeping on the top. This is for the hood latch mount, and then these down here are too. And then this is for the actual prop rod to go. So that's actually raised up, so I got to grind that completely off. And then I think this is for either a 4.6 or something, I don't know. But these are for airbags, and then the airbags right here, deleting all that. This is for, the only ones I'm keeping on the side are going to be for the header panel. But I'm going to show you on this car over here, actually, as a reference. Okay, so anyways, I already painted this engine bay, I don't know, months ago, but this was just all stock. I did a complete paint job on it, and I went ahead and did the engine bay just to do it, because he didn't ask for it, he didn't pay for it, but I went ahead and just did it because the inside looked like shit, and it only took, you know, extra 3-4 hours, so I went ahead and did it. Okay, so this is actually a 9495 5.0, so it does have the bracket here, which I'm deleting on his car. I'm going to delete this bracket, delete this, and then we already deleted all these. So the only thing holes in the front is for this bracket, for the hood latch. Now this is going to be this hood latch is going to be the same for 94 to 04. So you do want to keep this middle one and these outside ones. You don't want to build the mud completely high up, because when you build the mud up, it's going to adjust this up, and then you don't even want mud around here, because then when you slam the hood and stuff, you know, it could crack the mud, or tighten it up, it could crack the mud, and then you got to repaint. So you don't want to do that. So I don't even know. I might actually bolt this on or weld it on and then just mud over it. I don't know yet. I got to kind of talk to Sean about it. Here's the airbag sensors I was talking about. We're not running them. And then these are the header panel ones right here. So we are going to keep these hood stoppers. And then we're going to get the shocks for the fenders for the hood strut, because we're deleting that. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys on this car right here. So I don't know if I should bolt this down and weld it to the core support and then mud over it so it's all flush. I don't know. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments what you think or what you'd like to see. And I don't know, because I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to do the rest of the stuff, so I'll wait on this. So let me know in the comments.
What music is that I hear?
Something to try and make you feel at home.
Not bad for the first coat. Now I'll do another coat. And you could see what I was using. I was using a cheese grater for this. I was shaving down all the stuff while it was still not hard completely. Now if you wait till it's hard, like you waited 30-40 minutes, I mean it would just be tough as hell, and you'd have to sand it off with a DA. So it's so much easier to work this mud when it's about probably 10 to 15 minutes after you spread it on there, after it hardens up. It depends. I mean, I'll put a lot of hardener in it because it's cold here. So in the summertime, I mean, that shit would have hardened up fast. So it just depends on when you're doing it and what temperature it is. So anyway, like I said, it was one coat on that, and you could see how I was working it in all the crevices and stuff. You want to do that so there's no air pockets. So I'll put another coat on there now of that, and then we'll do the icing for the third and final coat. Also, this green looking stuff is that Evercoat Duraglass. All the links, or all my items I'm using, I'm going to link in the description, so check that out. But this stuff is really, really hard, and it's really good weatherproofing Bondo. It holds up a lot better, like for with water and rust and stuff like that. So I filled in the fat, thick areas with this stuff. Like I went down in that crevice right there, and over all this raw metal and welds right here. So I scuffed it up because I'm switching from Duraglass to the Extreme Gold. So I don't know if you have to. I just feel better with just scuffing it up a little bit before I switch over to a different product. So now I'm going to do a coat of the Extreme Gold, the same stuff I actually put up here. So we're going to do all that stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and do all this with it, and it's getting there.
up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you love.
Alright, this is what I got so far. You can already see it taking shape. These corners right here are the little tedious work. You gotta just finger fuck it to get it nice and smooth how you want it. I gotta do some more work in here too, but this is what I just used. This is the Evercoat reinforced filler that I was using. It's the green stuff. Haven't used the icing yet. I've been sanding with 36 and 40 grit. And then this is the cheese grater thing I was talking about earlier. But anyway, my fingers are hurting. I'm gonna end the video here for tonight. So tomorrow we will do the other side, finish this side, and then start the firewall. So give a thumbs up and we'll see you soon.
Oh.